AC in-wall switch based on RF plus Bluetooth mesh. Can be controlled by push switch. 1-channel output, up to 400 watt. AC power input, enables to control on-off of connected load. Mini size, easy to be installed into standard wall bottom box. Off. On. Pair with easy things. Enable Bluetooth on your phone. Run Easy Things app. Tap Add button plus on the app to add device. Then choose Discover Devices to discover device, then short press the reset button on the dimmer twice, or reset power of the dimmer twice continuously, to set the device into pairing to app mode. Once the device are discovered, tick the device and tap Save button, then will be added successfully. Off. On. Click the reset key. Activate the remote. Choose and click a zone number, then touch the color wheel. Pairing successful.